How to fix the Snapchat problem like due to repeated failed login attempts or other suspicious activity. Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the Snapchat problem like due to repeated failed login attempts or other suspicious activity. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll have to just scroll down and go the option general. Alright, so from the general section, you'll have to go the option iPhone storage. And now from iPhone storage, you'll have to scroll down and find the application Snapchat. Alright, so after you find it, you'll have to just tap on it. Okay, so simply from here, you'll have to tap on upload app. Alright, tap on upload app. Alright, so after then, you'll have to just tap on the option reinstall app again. Okay, so after you complete this process from here, you'll have to just back from there, and from this general section you'll have to again scroll down at the bottom and go the options like VPN and device management. Alright, so from this section make sure that your iPhone is not connected to a VPN, so simply you have to turn off the VPN connection on your iPhone. So after you done it, you'll have to just back from here, and after you complete this process on your iPhone, you'll have to just back from here, and from here you'll have to just open the App Store on your iPhone, and from the App Store you'll have to search for Snapchat. Alright, so after you find the Snapchat application, you'll have to just update the Snapchat application with its latest version. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the update option. And after you update the latest version of Snapchat on your iPhone, you'll have to just back from here, and from here, you'll have to just open the Snapchat application again, and from there, you'll have to just easily provide your credential to log in with your Snapchat account. So if you have forgotten, you can also go the option forgotten your password. So after you log in with your user ID and password, you can easily fix that problem your login attempts on Snapchat. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.